Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of 27 April 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question. Which is the best film according to 93rd Oscar Prize which was published recently? Answer. Nomadland. In a stunning close to a largely predictable Oscar ceremony, Anthony Hopkins won Best Actor for his work The Father over the late Chadwick Boseman, who died last year of cancer and has swept awards season so far for his performance in Ma Rainey's Black Button. Second question. Which state has launched COVID emergency loan scheme? Answer. Haryana. Third question. Varuna 2021 19th edition India-French naval exercise was started in which sea? Answer. Arabian Sea. India and France began their joint naval navy exercise Varuna 2021 on Sunday in the Arabian Sea. The 19th edition of bilateral event began on 25th April and will continue until 27th April. Fourth question. Which multi-technology company will contribute 135 crore to India for COVID crisis? Answer. Google. Google has announced a commitment of 135 crore to fight the pandemic in India, which is hit hard by the second wave of COVID-19 infections. Fifth question. Which institute set up a data relay satellite to get information about Gaganyaan? Answer. ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization will launch a data relay satellite that will help in maintaining contact with Gaganyaan mission throughout after launch, sources said. Sixth question. World's first card program, Conquer, launched by BFSL with partnership by Dash. Answer. MasterCard. On April 22, 2021, the MasterCard and Bank of Baroda Financial Solution, a wholly owned subsidiary of Bank of Baroda, came together to launch Conquer, a MasterCard QR on card solution to simplify digital payments of small and medium-sized enterprises. Seventh question. Which state started scheme Prana Air for Care to supply oxygen to COVID patients? Answer. Kerala. The Government Medical College Hospital Thrissur has introduced a project Prana Air for Care to reach oxygen supply to all inpatient beds. Eighth question. What is the rank of India in WEF Global Energy Transition Index 2021? Answer. 87th. Out of 115 countries, India has been ranked at 87th position in Energy Transition Index ETI. It tracks nations on the basis of current performance of their energy systems across different aspects. Ninth question. How much will Covishield cost at a state government hospital? Answer. Rs 400. Bharat Biotech Ltd has priced its homegrown coronavirus vaccine Covaxin at Rs 600 per dose for states and Rs 1200 per dose for private hospitals. 10th question. Which is the only Indian university to make it in world's top 100 institutes for sustainability? Answer. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham in Tamil Nadu is the only Indian university to make it in the world's top 100 educational institution, doing the most in the fight towards sustainability according to new global rankings released on Wednesday. 11th question. India has a partnership with which country to launch Agenda 2030? Answer: USA. The United States and India are launching US Indian Climate and Clean Energy Agenda 2030 partnership. Led by Joe Biden and Prime Minister Modi, the partnership will represent one of the core venues for US India collaboration and focus on driving urgent progress in the critical decade of climate action. 12th question. Which country becomes the first country to record 3.5 lakhs cases in 24 hours? Answer: India. India in the last 24 hours reported more than 3.5 lakh new COVID-19 cases and became the first country to make this grim record. The data by Voltmeter suggested on Monday morning. 13th question. When will registration for vaccination above 18 years for COVID-19 starts? Answer: April 28. 14th question. In which city a park turned into cremation ground for COVID-19 deaths? Answer: Delhi. In a more that reflects the severity of the COVID-19 crisis in Delhi, a public park has been converted into cremation ground of Southeast Delhi. 15th question. What is the theme of World Book and Copyright Day 2021? Answer: to share a story. World Book and Copyright Day. Keeping COVID-19 in mind, the theme for this year is to share a story. Tbilisi has been chosen to the World Book Capital in 2021. Thank you for watching.